If you've deleted your Instagram account and 30 days have passed, your account is now permanently removed. To initiate the recovery process, open your web browser and enter Instagram.com support into the search bar. Click on the search icon, then locate and click on the 3 horizontal lines at the upper right corner. Next, navigate to Manage your account. Click on the first option, scroll down and under the Helpful tab select No, and then click on Other. In the provided box, succinctly describe the issue you're facing. It's recommended to use the text I'm providing here, which will also be available in the video description for your convenience. Don't forget to include your username and the email address associated with your deleted Instagram account. Once you have filled out your issue description, simply click on the Submit option. Your permanently deleted Instagram account will be recovered within the next 24 hours. And that concludes this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.